Yo, first order of the day is a Starbucks. This is gonna be $7 going 4.5 miles. Doing my lap around town, wondering why I haven't received any orders in about 30 minutes now. Well, I guess they heard me. This next order is on DoorDash. This is going to be earned by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Oh, this is hand to customer. PIN required. Interesting. There you are. Yep. That's a no tip. Shout out to them. Total for that was $3 and change. Got the next order as soon as I got into my car. This is Angel's Donuts and Cream going 5 miles.
What can I have with this coffee? No, come on. Come on.
And that's another no tip. Total for that one was $6 and change. I don't know where this next one is. It's a shop and deliver for... I actually don't know what the name of the store is. It's either Quality Food Center or Riverstone Marketplace. This one is $12 going 6 miles, 2 items. And it looks like it's just cereal, so this should be pretty easy once I figure out where I'm going. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is $10 going 2 miles. I'm a little iffy on this one. I feel like this is going to be one of those orders that 4 other people have already tried to pick up.
It is a very large.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay.
Well, this order is way bigger than I expected, and it's a meet at door, so hopefully that means they're gonna help me carry some of this stuff, so I don't have to make like 5 trips. Oh, this is gonna be upstairs too, isn't it? You got it?
Yep. Thank you.
Yep, have a good day. It looks like we're heading right back to Seize the Bagel. This one is going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Ooh, gotta love it. Another no tip. Total for that one was $6. And got this right away. This is a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. that's another no tip. What are we doing today? Come on. Total for that one was $4 and change. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $14 going 5 miles, 4 items.
Please remain at this.
I just scan that really quick. Oh yeah. Next up is a Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Total for that one was $5 and change. And just got the next orders. Got a stacked McDonald's going about 4 miles.
Are you picking up another order?
Yeah, is that Nico?
Yes.
Thank you. Morning. Total for that stack was $11. Pretty decent. I like it. Ooh, this one is very high mileage. This is an IHOP going just about 9 miles. Total for that order was $15 and change. Okay. Pretty good tip on that one. Thank you. Been a while since that last order was dropped off, but finally got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A going 5.5 miles.
Here's this for you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Morning. Let me just get the number. And I'm gonna go ahead and call it here, I think. Current time is 9:33. Total ended up with 133. What? How? Oh, that Caesar bagel, the one that had like 20 items in it, they tipped $30. I mean, I'll take that. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.